Yo, welcome back to my channel Shunggeng. So how are you today, guys? I hope you are always doing well and always stay safe and stay healthy. First of all, please kindly like, comment and subscribe our channel so we can always give you the update information about the development of tourism, culture and tradition in Indonesia and especially Bali. Mandala Suci Wenara Wana, or well known as Ubud Monkey Forest, is the sanctuary and natural habitat of the Balinese long-tailed macaque. It is located in Padangtegal Ubud, Bali. It is about 1,049 monkeys lived in this sanctuary. So as you see today, this is the front area of Ubud Monkey Forest. Not so many guests came because of the situation of the pandemic COVID-19. After collecting the ticket, let's go and see what is happening there inside of the forest. How is the monkeys' lives and how many visitors are coming on this weekend? Before you are coming or visiting Monkey Forest Ubud, make sure that you are healthy, have vaccinated, and follow the COVID-19 protocol. In the spot, there is a staff that will check your ticket, then welcome you to enjoy the Monkey Forest Ubud. For your information, the Monkey Forest Ubud has 3 temples, namely Dalam Ubud Padangtegal Temple, Holy Spring Temple, and Prajapati Temple. The forest is owned by the Padangtegal community and is managed by Mandala Suci Wenara Wana management. The purpose of the management is to keep sacred the place and promote the Monkey Forest Ubud as an international tourist destination. So here you will find the guidelines that you need to follow when you are making contact with the monkeys there. Sacred Monkey Forest Ubud is a famous tourist attraction in Ubud. Before the pandemic COVID-19, in every month around 10,000 till 15,000 visitors come to Monkey Forest Ubud. So as you see today, not so many visitors are visiting this place, and Monkey Forest Ubud has closed several times following the government rule. What you can enjoy in Monkey Forest Ubud is the green environment, which contains thousands of big trees, and the area which is very clean with the fresh air. Here you can enjoy the natural monkey attraction, and you can make photo or selfie with the monkeys. I think that will be very interesting for you to visit Monkey Forest Ubud. The monkey in the Monkey Forest Ubud, sometimes they are very naughty, but don't worry because there are many officers that is around the area that will always ready to help you. And sometimes they can help you to make a good video with the monkeys because they are all very talented. So this is the situation and the view in front of the temple. You can see the Balinese ornament architecture. So this is the view and the situation in front of Pura Dalam Agung Padangtegal. You can see not so many visitors are coming this week. So let us just enjoy and see what is happening around the Monkey Forest Ubud. This is the cemetery of Desa Padangtegal Ubud. Okay guys, that's all our trip today around the Monkey Forest Ubud. So hope you can visit also this place and you can enjoy the experience in Monkey Forest Ubud. You guys, thank you for watching and always stay safe and healthy and see you on the next trip. Bye bye guys.